Put them on. Oh God.
Did you get it?
God, I hope not.
You're recording me. Oh my God. I just want to lay down. And you recorded the crap out of it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, was that funny or something?
Mm-hmm.
Did you just enjoy? You trying to get my whatever these are?
Pants?
Yeah, that. But I don't know which ones they are. They're off now.
No.
I've got to actually put the pants on.
Put them on.
Not in front of your camera. My hair in my mouth. I don't like you anymore. I don't know what happened, but I don't like you anymore. How long have you been recording that? Not cool, man. Dog, that's not what's up.
I'm just not happy with you. You're following me with that thing, aren't you?
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to be followed. I just want to lay down. I'm so sleepy. I'm crying.
Keep backing up.
I don't want to. You will laugh at me. I'm gonna hide. Where did that come from?
You knocked it over.
Yeah, but I didn't think it was that close. I'm stuck in a sticky.
You look like a caterpillar.
Good.
When are you gonna spread your wings?
I need my feet up. I'm tired of that. Where did my pants go? Let's see. I'm gonna start putting them on, sucker. Oh, it butt. Ouch. It really hurts. Up there. I need my band. That's not it. Can you see it?
Nope. My leg. You're on my leg.
Oh, sorry about that.
It kind of hurts.
Found it!
Dude, you're like a bug. I too.
Well, you know,
That's pretty.
that's awesome, you know. I hope everybody laughs, you know. I like it when people laugh at me.
I know. That's why we do it often.
No. Where is it?
Pussy.
Where is it?
Why did you grab my pussy?
Maybe I wanted to. There it is. Just give it to me.
I mean, we can end this right now, and I can delete it, and we'll both be happy. Or at least I will.
That's all that matters.
Tickle, tickle. That hair in my mouth. Are you fake crying?
Yeah.
It's really bad.
No. There's really no point in making it good because you don't care if I cry.
I really don't.
My face. You sound like a dreaming nose. And you scream. Bobby pin came out. Her mean face.
Love you.
Mm-mm.
Love you.
You're hungry. It's a roar.
That means I love you.
It said grrr.
That's how we love you.
It said grrr. I don't like this. I can't see. And you won't take the camera off of me. Why is it echoing? Oh, I'm stripping now. That's my butt.
I know.
It's much bigger in this thing. I knew you were going to do that. I'm so glad she's not in her bed.